Hello everybody. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future Quest for welcome to Quest for Booty. Let's start our piratey adventure through Ratchet and Clank.
Once upon a time, there was a fearless young lumbax who gained fame and fortune by ridding the galaxy of Emperor Percival Tachyon and Captain Romulus Slag.
What a cheap shot, I tell ye! Somebody unplugged me controller!
But just as peace was restored to Polaris, his first mate was kidnapped by creatures known only as the Zoni. Using a powerful computer called Iris, he finally located a clue. An old pirate captain who may possess the key to the Zoni dimension. A pirate named Darkwater.
Darkwater has to be here somewhere.
Be careful, Ratchet. Murdergraw is an unregulated planet. Unwanted visitors have a bad habit of disappearing from here.
Alas, poor Captain! No one misses you but me. I miss you too, Rusty Pete. You may not have me body, but you'll always have me heart. The crew hates me, Captain. They don't hate you, Pete. They just don't understand ye. Why, you're my top first mate, you are.
Guys, I'm not looking for any trouble.
Wait! We're just here to find a pirate. Captain Angstrom Darkwater?
Darkwater, you hear that, lads? This mangy stowaway seeks the ear of a dead man. How's about we arrange a proper introduction?
Isn't that a way to start up our new Let's Play? Hello everybody, my name's Evangeli. Sorry about the camera adjustments during the game, or during the cutscene. Did not mean to do that, but wow, we got quite a few weapons here. We got the combustor. Oh, we got the tornado launcher, the gun we never got. So let's use it right now. Woo! Holy crap, this gun is so much better than how it is in Tools Instruction. But I don't like the weapon wheel in this game. It's a little hard to use, but oh, look at our little combustor. We got a little combustor again. That's cute. We do see the combustor again later on in the series. I see you guys up there. I'm not an idiot. Whoa, this thing's operating fast. Don't mind if I use it. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I'm just gonna grind the rail, or grind the crank. Oh geesh. Dun dun da da da. The music is freaking epic. Upgrade right away. And maybe we could get it to V5 in the first mission. Possibly. Bum bum ba da dum ba da ba da ba da ba da ba da bum ba da bum. Okay, one thing about this game is there's no Rhino in this game, so we're just gonna have to stick with these weapons for now. Actually, we do lose all of these weapons. We just have to get them all, and we get another weapon. Woo! Come here, son. use another weapon. Alright. Woo! Ha! Blowing up everything. Isn't it awesome? My nanotech levels increased. Got him. So yeah, this game is very short and very easy too. It's practically every pirate level in Tools of Destruction mashed into one. But it's pretty cool. It has really epic music. I can't reach them. This is the missile launcher of the game, the Predator launcher. That's what I like to think it is. And we'll upgrade it to level 5 in this little Let's Play. Trust me. Oh, I killed him already. Let's just use our... Oh, the Lightning Ravager. Our bay. Lightning Ravager's bay. Woo! There's no secrets in this game. I'm not even joking. There is no secrets. There's no rhino. There's no nothing. And didn't you always hate pirates? Like, I've always hated pirates. Well, Ratchet and Clank pirates. Pirates of the Caribbean, not so much. Ratchet and Clank, kind of. I mean, the levels in Tools of Destruction were a little too difficult. Saying from a Ratchet and Clank expertise like me, but I'm not trying to brag. Oh, that's a new thing this game has, or Ratchet and Clank has, is the ability to use your wrench as more than just a simple gadget. As you can see, we got a new wrench here, and I don't know, but hold up.
Lads, to the stones cast to Moro caverns, and the pythons must be hungry.
Avast, ye scurvy swine!
Sweet eye of Azuni, it's Slag, scourge of Polaris, slay of Darkwater himself.
Righto! And I hereby banish this lumbax to Hulafar Island, where he will get exactly what he's looking for.
Aye, Captain. You heard him, lads. To Hulafar in 1, 2... Oh, just fire!
Not again! And so, the Lumbax discovered a little-known pirate party foul 21-13, which states, never interrupt a band of grogged-up space pirates simply because you lost your robotic mate and seek the assistance of a dead captain.
Skip to the part about the curse.
Whoa! Spoiler alert! We haven't even gotten to Hulafar Island.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, spoiler alert, Captain Slaggy Slag.
Ratchet? Ratchet, are you all right?
Clank? Clank, is that you? Clank!
Ratchet, are you okay? You swallowed an awful lot of water.
Please. It'll take more than a few space pirates.
That is the only time we hear Clank talk in this whole game. I'm not even joking. And Clank's name is in the title. Clank talked more in freaking Deadlocked. But this is one of the most beautiful Ratchet and Clank games, I would think, in the whole series. Cause just look at that. That's amazing. And the grab ramp, it's pretty freaking cool. I mean, the grab ramp just looks super freaking cool. I don't know why. I always think it's like a roller coaster. Oh, roller coaster's over. fun's over. As you see, we have no weapons now. Boo-hoo-hoo. Ugh.
Clank! Clank, are you out there?
Ratchet, you heard that pilot. Darkwater's dead.
Ugh.
And there are no Zoni on Murderground. Rusty P tricked us.
He sent us here for a reason. There has to be some kind of connection.
He did send us here for a reason. He said we'll find what we need here. Which he's true. He's true. He's true. Maybe. I don't know. Here. Oh yeah, this is where we get to use our new wrench abilities. See? Our new Omni Wrench has a kinetic tether, which pulls things. Isn't that freaking awesome? Doing woo! Thanks, brah. Friend zoned. Thanks, brah. Hulafar Island.
Hey there, young fella. Welcome to Hulafar Island. My name's Barnabas Worley. Mayor Barnabas Worley, to be precise. What brings you here? A cannon! It must have been messing around with those pirates. Well, any enemy of Sprocket and his gang is a friend of the island.
We're trying to contact a friend of ours, but I can't seem to catch a signal. I don't suppose you have a radio tower we could use.
Sorry, miss. We had a supply beacon, but someone vandalized it last night. But if you help us repair it, I'm sure you'll be able to contact your friend. Really? Well, that is good news. Just climb to the top of each wind turbine and give the old boat crank a turn.
Check out the wind turbine. I'll head to higher ground. If I can get your signal, maybe we can help the people we're supposed to be looking for.
Alright, that's one thing this game has. It has little objectives. Alright. We could go to that grav ramp right there. Probably one of the coolest looking grav ramps ever. I mean, just look at it. Just look at it. It looks pretty sick. But there's a wind turbine right here. Literally right here. That's a wind turbine operator. Idiot that can't even fix his own wind turbine, but whatever. Man, that sucks. This is the guy. This is their internet source and stuff like that. But anyways, we are gonna get their internet back on so they can watch more Ethan GB. Ugh. Bam. Oh geesh. Wow. The shimming. If only the shimmying was like in Secret Agent Clank. All like fast and crap. Woo! Alright, bring that down. Bounce all the way up here. Oh, we're practically just building a teleporter. Whee! Ah! Oh, you're gonna kill a bird! Oh, watch out, watch out! Oh, jeez. Oh, almost killed that bird. Oh. Alright, we open these doors. I guess we'll go upstairs. That underwater thing does have some sort of secret in it. I forgot what it was. Oh, things are closing. Yep. There's even 4 on the map. Oh, yeah, the map looks pretty cool. This is more of an open world game, I would say, than a, it's more like Jak and Daxter, I would say. Like the first Jak and Daxter game, unlike the little, or it spoon-fed everything to you, but... Oh yeah, to connect the internet, we gotta connect the plug into the thing. That's pretty funny, but what is this way? What is this way? Totally. I totally defeated Tachyon with both hands behind my back, because I am that freaking epic. Yeah. Okay, so to get back there, we gotta do some puzzle thing. Well, not really a puzzle thing, but whatever. Just shut up. Urgh. Making me mad. I'm just kidding. Or you could take that slingshot. I'm just gonna go to the wind turbine thing, because it's right here. Wow. Wind turbine. Ooh, grind rails. But we are gonna do this wind turbine first. Oh, geesh. Oh, gosh. Oh, I was supposed to flip this thing to how I wanted it. Okay, then. Now I know. Now I know. Or I could totally just wall jump, but like. Oh! I'm a pro at this game. I'm a pro at this. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Wall jump. My wall jump. Okay, I can't really. Now it would be a little hard to do that. Ooh, the jumping in this game is so flawless. Like, this game just feels way too smooth to be like, to be the game of its time. Like, 2008, PS2 games were still being made at this time. I mean, like, this game feels really flawless. It's practically the same thing as Tools of Destruction, just with some improvements, but Tools of Destruction was a better game because it was longer. This game would probably have been better if it was longer. Actually, it totally would have been. Like, they had a whole year to make it. They had the same amount of time to make other Ratchet. They do to make other Ratchet and Clank games. So I don't know why they didn't just make this into a huge game. Wow, I didn't really want to go here. I wanted to go on the grind rail. I don't know how to reach the grind. I do now. You gotta use the lava thing. Wow. Wow. And break that. Whee! Alright, let's go. Woo! Oh gosh, make it. Yeah. Yeah. Grind rail. Whoa. I think this is like the only grind rail session in the whole game, so love it while we have it. It's pretty fun actually. When I first saw this, it looked pretty cool. I don't know how to get off. Oh, you just hit it, I think. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Flip flop. A flippity flippity flip flop. Don't stop the clock. I don't know. No. You cannot take my cookie. Oh. That was trippy. Okay. Woo! Alright, totally go backwards now. Woo! Let's go! Oh gosh! My feet touched the water there, holy crap. Over the rocks! Down the slope thingy. Boing! Woo! Wait, does that give us all the way to the top of the tower? Hecka yeah, that's an accomplishment in my book. Let's just... Oh, that's a cool little landing pad. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, there's a little grind rail out, so we stay on... It doesn't... Oh, it does teleport us. I saw another grind rail thing there. Oh, yeah. Whoa, here we go. Oh, down the slope. Whoa. It's okay, I'm fine. Thanks for asking, guys. Jerks. I'm just kidding. Alright guys, that is it for this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, Quest for Booty. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyways, my name's Ethan GB, and I'm out. Peace.